Hello everyone, myself Shirisha from Cambridge Global School. Today I am going to teach you multiplication of grade 2. So welcome to the exciting world of multiplication. Today we will discover how multiplication makes counting faster and easier. Get ready to become multiplication superstars. What is multiplication? Now let's discuss about what is multiplication. Multiplication is a super fast way to add equal groups together. Now let's discuss with some examples. Okay, here three groups are there. In each group, two stars are there. In each group, two stars are there. So, two, in first group, two stars. In second group, two stars. In third group, two stars. Now add 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So, total how many stars are there from each group? From each group, 2 stars are there. So, total 6 stars are there. So, this is the addition fact. This is the addition fact. So, now we have to count in a easy way and faster way. Total 3 groups into, in each group 2 stars. In each group 2 stars. So, total how many stars are there? 3 2s are 6 stars are there. Now, let's discuss about multiplication symbols. So, into x is a multiplication symbol and we can read it as into or times. For example, 3 into 5 or we can read as 3 times 5. Now I am going to teach about product. What is product? For example, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. In a multiplication, the answer is called, when we are multiplying two numbers, we are getting the answer. The answer is called a product. The answer is called product. And do you know what is the answer in addition? What is the answer in subtraction? In addition, the answer is called as sum or total. In subtraction, the answer is called as difference or leftover. So, as usually in a multiplication also we have answer. In the answer is called as product. So, the rest of the two numbers which are multiplying together, those numbers are called factors. Those numbers are called factors. About multiplication facts. The first one is multiply by 1. If you multiply any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. For example, if you take 5 and multiply by 1, the answer is the number itself. If you take any number, 2-digit number also, 12. 12 into 1 is equal 12. If you take any big number also, like 1000. 1000 into 1 is equal 1000. So, if you multiply any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. By 0. If you multiply any number by 0, the answer is every time it is 0. Remember it. Many children will write 3 into 0, 3. But it's wrong. Understand? 3. If you that's why you have to remember this fact. Every number multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. Any number, that is 2-digit, 3-digit, 5-digit, any number if you multiply by 0, the answer is always 0. Now I will explain you how to multiply with 1-digit number. For example, 24 into 2. Okay, 24 into 2. Now 4 is in which place? 1's place. 4 is in 1's place. 2 is in which place? 10's place. Okay. Now we have to multiply 1's place and 10's place by 2. So every time we have to start from the 1's place. So first we have to multiply 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. And remember it, The answer also should be there in the ones place and tens place if you have hundreds place. Don't write in the places middle. Don't write any number between two numbers. That is wrong. You have to write like a places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay. And I will give you one more example. So the number is 54. The number is 54. So we have to multiply by 5. But here you observe carefully. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. That 20 first you write right side of your sum. Okay, first you write the number right side of your sum. So now the ones place number cut and write in the ones place. The ones place number right here. And the next number we have to add with the next number. See here, now we have to multiply. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. That 25 we have to add with 2. Don't forget the number. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2? 25 plus 2? 27. 27. Now the answer is 270. Now hope you understand about multiplication and practice well the sums. Thank you.